Hello, I am Munsir Mehdi, the final year student of biomedical engineering, and today I am going to measure temperature of different parts of body by using NI-Elvis 2. Experiment consists of a surface temperature exposed thermistor whose resistance change with respect to temperature. That's the time to tell you about the connections of the protoboard connector on the NI-Elvis 2. Here are the connection values of the protoboard connector with the NI-Elvis 2. In your screen, you can see that protoboard connector is connected on the breadboard. 5 volt is connected with the 5 volt and the ground is connected with the ground. Moreover, AI0 to the SiG1 and AI ground to the ground. Here comes the temperature sensor through which we will measure the temperature of the different parts of the body. And now you can see that temperature sensor is connected with the protoboard connector. To measure the temperature of the forearm, temperature sensor is connected on the forearm of the patient. In the biomedical workbench, signal will be logged for the 30 seconds in the logger. Here comes the temperature signal of the forearm having maximum and the minimum value against the time. In the biomedical workbench, we have to select the option of the viewer. That is the viewer signal which also have maximum and the minimum value of the temperature. Now we want to measure the temperature of the finger, for which the person will hold the temperature sensor into his finger. This graph shows the value of the temperature before the finger is rubbed. That is a viewer signal of the finger before rub. Here is the temperature signal of the finger after the rubbing of the finger. That is the viewer signal of the finger after the rubbing of the finger. Now we will measure the temperature of the chest, for which we will place this temperature sensor on the chest of the patient. That's the temperature graph of the patient measured on the chest. That's the viewer signal of the patient's chest. Now we will measure the temperature during respiration, for which patient will breathe normally. The central values in the graph shows the normal breathing of the patient. That is the viewer signal of the normal breathing of the patient. This graph shows the finger's temperature for a person having fever and for a healthy person. 7 is the maximum value of temperature for a healthy person and 16 for a person having fever. So it's time for the data analysis of the temperature of the different parts of the human body. The table shows the maximum and the minimum value of the temperature in degree and Fahrenheit for the forearm. This table shows the maximum and the minimum value of the finger's temperature before. We can clearly see from the table that the finger's temperature rises after the rubbing it. Maximum and the minimum value of the chest temperature in degree and the Fahrenheit. That table shows the maximum and the minimum value of the breathing in degree and Fahrenheit. We can conclude from the experiment that temperature was maximum for the forearm, which was 18 degrees Celsius. Cameraman was Bilal and the patient was Sharoon, and the Mohsin on which experiment was performed. Thank you very much for watching this video. Never forget to like this video.